and welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today we are going to answer some questions about benzoyl peroxide for the treatment of pimples or acne on the face. So our first question is, what is benzoyl peroxide? Benzoyl peroxide is a chemical compound that is found in a wide range of preparations for the treatment of acne. And as I said earlier, our focus is on the treatment of pimples or acne on the face. How does benzoyl peroxide work? Benzoyl peroxide works as an antiseptic, and it helps kill or reduce the number of bacteria or germs on the face. In addition, it helps exfoliate dead skin and gets rid of excess oil that has built up in the pores. So in summary, benzoyl peroxide kills bacteria on the face. It cleanses the face and it helps balance oil production on the face. Benzoyl peroxide is an old-time product and is usually one of the first treatments recommended for acne on the face, especially mild to moderate acne. Now, who can and who cannot use benzoyl peroxide? Benzoyl peroxide can be used by anyone above the age of 12 for the treatment of pimples on the face. It's important to note that it cannot be used by those who are allergic to benzoyl peroxide or those who are suffering from severe pimples. That is, pimples that has developed into hard lumps or lumps that are filled with pus and look like balls, as these have to be treated by a doctor, possibly with other preparations or with antibiotics. Our next question is, where can I purchase benzoyl peroxide containing products for the treatment of pimples on my face? Benzoyl peroxide products are available to purchase from your local community pharmacy or from beauty shops. And in the UK, for example, apart from your community pharmacy, you can purchase benzoyl peroxide containing products from your high street shops such as Boots, Superdrugs, The Body Shop, or Savers. There are various brands and various preparations available, and you can get it in the form of a gel, a wash, a cream, a lotion, a facial mask, or a facial scrub. These come in different brands, but what you're looking for in the product is a 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, a 5% benzoyl peroxide, or a 10% benzoyl peroxide. Examples of brands that you would come across are Acnecide, Panoxyl, Cetaphil, Neutrogena, Cerave, and Cetaphil. So when you go into the shop and you're not sure of what to get, please speak to someone for help. Now, these products are also available to purchase online. It would be advisable to start with a product that contains 2.5% benzoyl peroxide and then increase the strength as you go. And anytime you purchase something new to use on any part of your skin, especially your face, it would be advisable to carry out a patch test to make sure the product is suitable for your skin. I've got a full video on how to carry out a patch test. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Sometimes benzoyl peroxide can be mixed with other compounds such as clindamycin, which is an antibiotic, and this product is known as drug once daily. Sometimes so it can be mixed with a retinoid such as adapalene, and this is known as epiduo gel, but these are only available on prescription. Now let's answer the question, how do I use benzoyl peroxide? Because it comes in different preparations, it will be appropriate to follow the manufacturer's instructions and make sure you don't deviate from any of the instructions provided on the pack or on the patient information leaflet that it comes with. Don't use it more than it has been advised by the manufacturer. And remember to carry out a patch test before you start using it. Now, how long does it take to start working? You would normally see an improvement in the pimples on your face after 4 weeks. Within 2 to 4 months, you will start seeing the full effect. So it's advisable to be patient and consistent. As the pimples on your face improves, it would be advisable to reduce the number of times that you use benzoyl peroxide. Most of the time, it is applied once or twice a day. So as the skin on your face improves, you can reduce the number of times that you use it to alternate days or twice a week. Now let's move on. Does benzoyl peroxide have any side effects? Yes, it does. And the most common side effect is skin irritation. If you experience any skin irritation upon using any benzoyl peroxide product, then it would be advisable to reduce the number of times that you use it and then build it up slowly. And if the skin irritation continues, then stop using it completely. What are some precautions that you need to take when using benzoyl peroxide? It is advisable that you avoid sunlight when you use benzoyl peroxide. Try to use a sunscreen, especially one with an SPF or sun protection factor 30 or above. Also, make sure benzoyl peroxide does not come into contact with your clothes or your hair, as it can bleach or discolor them. Finally, if you're suffering from mild to moderate pimples on the face and you've tried so many things and they are not working, preparations containing benzoyl peroxide could be the answer to the pimples on your face. You can start by just using a face wash containing benzoyl peroxide. And the key here is persistence and patience. I hope this video is beneficial. Please don't go without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Tell me if you've ever used a product containing benzoyl peroxide and how effective it was. I have used a product containing benzoyl peroxide before. I used Cetaphil facial wash and I used it for over 3 months to get rid of pimples on my face. So I hope it works for you too. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.